Hello, welcome to By TV. I'm your embroidery assistant, Alan. In this video, I'm going to walk you through the accessories that come with some mirror and how to use them. First, you will find a menu of the operation system. And then you can find there are some boxes that marked a number from 1 to 4. And you will also get a toolbox. There are many tools inside. And a box of pre-wound bobbins. And here we also have a bigger frame for you. And there is also a table you can put on the stand. Okay, now let's check what's inside of the box. First, you will find the number 1 box. Open it. Well, it's a set of a t-shirt frame, and it has different size, so it is very suitable for you. And actually, you will have 2 boxes of the t-shirt frame. And then it's the number 2 box. It's a pair of armrests. You will install this on the guide rail and to make the t-shirt and other garment embroidery. Number 3 box, it has a cap station and a capper frame. Number 4 box, it has a supporting feet and also universal wheels. And the mirror also comes with a free cap driver. You can see we have already installed in the machine. And you will get 2 pieces of the cap frame. One is connected with the cap driver, and the other one is inside the number 3 box. Okay, next I will show you how to use the accessories come with the mirror step by step. First, it's about how to use the t-shirt frame. You can find the suitable frame from the box, and you need to use the stabilizer. Next, I will show you how to operate. First, we need to lose the screw here. Twist it with anti-clockwise way. Take out this frame. And here, you can keep to lose it so that the frame will be much bigger. Then we need to use a stabilizer. You need to make sure the whole stabilizer should cover all the frame. Okay, now let's go. We insert the frame under the fabric. Find the position you need. Then we put the stabilizer on the frame. Next, we need to insert this frame. And here, you need to pay attention. This one with a notch should face to the top. Okay. Push it. And now you can make some adjustment. Make sure the whole fabric will be flat. Okay, now you just need to tighten the screw here. If you want to tighten more, you can use the pliers to fix it. Now, finished. Next, I will show you how to install the handrail. So first, let's open the number 2 box. And do not forget, there's the back of the screw. The handrail has already installed the screws in each side. So these small bags of screw is just a free gift for you. Now I will show you how to install the handrail. Here you need to use a wrench. You can find it from the toolbox. We will use the number 3 wrench. Now we are going to install the right handrail. We need to find the 5th hole. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay, then you can connect it. If you find it cannot connect, you can use a wrench to lose the screw first. And here, I also need to remind of you, when you install the right handrail, the direction, it should face to left. Same way, when you install the left handrail, it should face to the right. Okay, now you can use a wrench to tighten the screw one by one. Okay, after installation, you can keep to use a short side to tighten all the screws again. Make sure they are tightened well. Now we will install the embroidery frame onto the handrail. Let the t-shirt neck go through this part. And then you need to pay attention. Here, this side with the notch should face here. Match the handrail and insert the frame obliquely into the handrail on each side. Make sure every side matched well. After you finish the embroidery, you can take out the frame. You just rest there and then take it out slightly. When you receive the mirror, you will find the machine has already installed the cap driver. So no matter you want to directly make the cap embroidery or you want to try other embroidery to test the machine, we always need you to remove the cap driver firstly. Next, I will show you how to remove the cap driver from your mirror. First, we need to remove the cap frame. You can find there are 3 clips on the frame. 1, 2, and 3. We need to push the 3 clips at the same time. Then you can take it out easily. Next, I will show you how to remove the cap driver from the machine. Here, we need to use the number 3 wrench. Use the short side to loose the screw on the guide rail. Just keep the screw on it. Now let's loose the second screw on the other side. Okay, still keep the screw on it. Now you can use your thumb to press the rail and other finger to hold the cap driver, and then take the cap driver. Next, I will show you how to install the cap driver. Before you install the cap driver, here is a very important tip for you. You must make sure the hole size you select in machine must be cap hoop. So here you need to click size and click cap 1, and I click OK. Then the machine will make a trace automatically. Okay, now you can install the cap driver. We need to make some adjustment. First, you need to make sure the driver should be in the center of the reel. It can't be like this or like this, just in the center. And the second, you can rotate this one. Make sure the side with 4 wheels should be up. And then you can use your hand to hold the whole cap driver. Okay, now you can insert the cap driver. And here you need to make sure the wheel slot can match the guide rail perfectly. Okay. Now we need to connect the cap driver with the guide rail. We need to find the 5th hole. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And then you can move the cap driver, and here you can raise up the washer, and on the other side you can also make some adjustment so that they can insert perfectly. Okay, now you can use the number 3 wrench. Use the long side to faster tighten. In the same way, here, tighten the screw. Okay, do not forget to use the short side to tighten the screw again. Make sure all of the screw can tighten well. Same way. Tighten the screw here. Okay, now finished. Now I will show you how to install the cap station and the cap frame. First, find the number 3 box and open it. Here is the cap frame. And here is the cap station. And here is a bag of clips. Okay, in next part, I will show you how to install them. Now, let's install the cap station. Here, you need to adjust the black knob. You can twist it according to your table's thickness. Twist it with anti-clockwise way. Okay, this is enough. Now you can insert the station to the table. Here, you need to pay attention. The station must totally touch the table. Then you can twist the black knob and tighten it. Okay, finished. Next, we will install the cap frame on the cap station. Here, you need to pay attention. This side has a launch, should be up. Okay, now you can insert it, match the launch, and then push it. If they are tightened well, then it will be finished. Now let's install the cap. First, we lose the chain from the frame. Then we put a stabilizer on this side. Now we can use a cap, and here you can open the thread band, and then we can insert the cap on the frame. Here, there's a tip for you. The center line of the cap should towards to left a little bit, because later you will tighten the spring with the chain, so the cap will move to the right a little bit. That's why you need to make the center line towards the left a little. Here is another tip. When you tighten the cap with the chain, you need to make sure the chain will catch the bottom of the spring closely. You cannot like this. It must catch the bottom of the spring. And then you can click the ring, pull it. If you find it is really difficult to tighten the chain with the clip, you can use a wrench to lose the black screw inside. You lose it and adjust the position of the clip. Next, we can use the clip to fix the cap. Now you can take out the cap. Press the two clips at the same time, then take out. Now you can connect the cap frame with the cap driver. First, you tilt the cap like this. Now you can rotate the cap and make sure the notch will be inside of this part. Okay, find the position. And then you can use your fingers to push at the same time. Okay, fixed. When you want to take out the frame, you can press the three clips at the same time. And then flip the cap and take it out. Alright, that's all about what the accessories come with the mirror and how to use them. Thank you for watching. If you like our videos, please subscribe to our channel and share it. See you in next video.